Hello, my art viewers. Welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the Art of Inside Impressions, and this is Artist Bhavna. So, today we are going to start with another interesting tutorial, and you can call this is different season because in this season I want to explain a detailed outline figure and I'll provide an enhancement video on it. So you can expect two videos for each artwork. I mean, one video for outline and other video for enhancement process. In order to show the better experience and to create more learning experience, I tried to add this tutorial. So this is completely for beginners as well as the person who are trying to reach the realism level. So when you practice this type of figurative diagrams and when you practice this type of shading and all, you may reach to the wonderful level. So to reach the best level, you can watch this tutorial and you can learn many things from this, and the tools which I am using here are really the professional tools and I'll use for my realistic artworks too. So try to catch all the tools and grades. I hope you all the very best and you can do it. So the persons who are really worried about the outlines and the shading, so the persons who are really lazy to shade, you can make and you can create wonders after shading. So first of all, you need to first focus on the initial outline. So when your initial outline is alright, the shading will be the perfect and it is really interesting thing. So you can see, right, I'm just stopping myself and I'm trying to create more details. So this trying to stop and this providing the more details will really help you in the final output. So when you concentrate more on outline, the output will be really amazing. So do try to concentrate more on outline. So here when you are building a house or an apartment, you need to first concentrate on the base layer or the pillars. So for us as an artist, we want to create wonders. So if you want to create wonders, you need to first concentrate on the first layer, that is outline. So this is apt explanation, I guess. So push yourselves and make many things, and it is possible and you can do it. So try with me. So I'll provide this type of videos and you can really explore many things and learn many things. So believe in me, trust your process and just go with the flow, and daily you need to practice. So if you want to become a beautiful and a great artist, you should definitely practice daily. So daily in the sense, you can practice any outline, you can practice anything, but you need to hold your pencil and you need to practice and you need to put on your paper for some time, so that it will enhance your practice and it will enhance your skills of using pencil on of holding pencil. So if you are an artist and you're stopping yourself without practicing, so that is really bad thing. So if you have interest in arts and all, do practice, make things perfect, don't stop in between, don't stop. Please do explore many things. You can do it. I am here, so I will really help you a lot. So you can enjoy my all 150 plus videos on my channel. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, you are really welcome and you are really good, because this reached you and you are really lucky, and do enjoy all the videos. So here I don't trim any video and I'll provide everything realistic. I mean, I'll not edit or I'll not do behind the camera, I'll do everything in front of you people, so that it will motivate you. See, here I used eraser, I can trim it. So every artist will do that, but I don't want to do, because you people should know I am also using eraser, right? So that's the thing. This small things will add more value and you can really enjoy those things. because everyone is not perfect, right? Everyone will do make mistakes. I'm also just normal person. I'll also make mistakes. So why can't I expose them? So I'm showing on the screen everything you can see. So trust my process and believe in me. If you are following this tutorial for like many days, you will create more and you will learn more. Okay, so this is our outline. So outline should look like outline only. Here is a tip. So don't ever use the higher grade pencils. Higher grade pencils in the sense, don't use more than HB. H and HB are perfect. 0.5 grade is perfect. I mean, in mechanical pencils, 0.3 is also perfect. So don't go for the higher grades like 2B, 4B, 6B and all. This is because when you consider the erasing process, those grades will create headache and you can't erase them properly and you may damage your paper. So, considering all the factors, do use the higher GSM papers when you're working with detailed and when you're working with the realistic outputs and arts. Okay, so do use the higher GSM papers, so that will improve your artwork as well as it will improve your shading because you can provide more layers and that will look super good. Okay, so these are some factors and these things you need to follow when you want to become a realistic artist. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are seeing this video for the first time on my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. You should not miss any updates from my channel, and you are my person and I'll teach you a lot. So I guess you learned happily, and happy learning. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy and stay connected. Please sit at home, and if you are really worried about your improvement, do try this all kind of arts. You will be the perfecto. So bye for the day. As you are seeing, to get better in my next video, I'm already adding this tiny details, so the separation parts, so divisions, so you can add this before going to the actual process. So this will help you to create like perfect shading and all. So before actually adding, when you add layers you can't erase it, right? So this is a process. So we'll meet in the next video and stay connected.